Hello and welcome. Today we're covering how to implement business mapping into Snow Atlas. There's a few different things you can import that could be business critical using such values as custom fields, your organization structure, and other such methods. There is a few different ways you can import the data into the tenants, such as using the right APIs, using import functionality, or using third-party integration connectors such as ServiceNow to allow for your ERP system to synchronize organizational hierarchies and ensure mapping stays current. For example, if you would like to import the organization, there's a few different ways you can do this. First of all, going to the Snow Atlas settings, coming to the organization structure, you can see your organization structure as current. You can export this as a base, and if you'd wish to do so, you can try using the import structure. For example, if we look at my file here, I have created a basic structure of Flex demo that has a parent node of our Flex customer, chose it not to be a legal organization, and set the node name to being Flex demo. Just to point out, the node ID has to be a unique value, the node name does not. As we go to import this, you click import again, select the file, select next, and as you can see, validate your organization preview is correct, and then click confirm. As we can see here, our organization structure is updated, and now we see the new Flex Demo organization node added. This can be amended and changed as necessary. For example, clicking edit, or clicking the three dots for the actions, you can select the mode you'd like to do. Edit, add a child node, and delete. For example, deleting will remove this, but with a confirmation first. Alternatively, if you wish to do so, you can use the API to update this. If we open Postman, we can see I've set up a basic demo here with the similar information we did in the import file. Flex demo, selected the parent ID as Flex customer, which was our root node. We can see the name as well, which is the node name, and if it's a legal organization. And by clicking send on this post crust, we can see it goes through 201 created. And if we go to the page and click refresh, we can see this has been successfully created, as well as we can see the check mark for legal entity is checked successfully. And same as before, we can edit this and delete it as necessary by using the action button on the right. To be aware, you cannot edit the node name once created and would need to be remade if you wish to change this. Alternative methods of using the right APIs. As we can see in our documentation page, we have post requests and other such requests that can be made, for example, as custom fields. We can see there is a number of requests, such as post, we can also rely on at the same time. So why are these write requests important? Because the write requests also cover other information such as licenses and key information such as agreements and such from there. Custom fields, currencies, organization structure, custom agreement types, and other such values. Why is this important? This is important because we have a tool called the Migration Toolkit V2. And why is this important? If you're a customer who is currently using our on-prem solution, Snow License Manager, and wish to be moved to Snow Atlas, this is a key way and makes it easier for you to start off without having to start fresh by moving across a number of values, details, and assets that might be business critical to yourselves to allow you to have that in Snow Atlas quickly and easily without manual action taken. So taking a look into custom fields, we can come back to the Snow Atlas UI, going to the settings tab underneath SAM, waiting for this to load, clicking custom fields, and from here we'll be able to see custom fields. As we can see here, we do not have any currently setting up, but it's easy as clicking add custom field via the UI, typing in a value, for example test. You can choose if you want a required field or not. Choose which type you wish to do, if it's a currency, a date value, decimal number, number, text, or a yes or no checkbox. For example, I choose yes, and I would like it to be a device type. And you do this. Add. And this could either be manually assigned as required, as we saw, or it can be done via a manual assignment. If we come to SAM Core, clicking onto computers, we select a computer, go into custom information, selecting manage custom fields, seeing which ones are available, clicking select, going back to the selected, and you can change the value you wish or choose the value and click save. And this will be now assigned to your computer. As well as if you wish to remove it, you can use the manage custom fields once more and click remove and save, and that will be removed. Alternatively, you can also add a custom metric by coming into settings, custom metrics. As we can see here, it does not have any predefined by default. Clicking add custom metric, we go test again, optional to add a description, and you can select the custom field you wish to use, for example, test, and click add. To assign this, we can come back to SAM Core, selecting an application, for example 7-zip, clicking edit application, license settings, clicking add metric, clicking custom compare value, and selecting this. And you can select a cost if you wish to do so, which currency type you wish to use, and then clicking add. And now it's added to this. This will be used for compliance. Alternatively, if you wish to remove this, you can click the 3 dots, clicking delete, and that will remove it. Or you could have edited it the same as you could do here. So here are some of the methods that you can use to add custom information, other critical details, organization, or business critical data that might help you define, filter, and add better visibility into your business and device software metric assets. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.